United States Supreme Court will not take up Karen Read's appeal of the verdict in her first trial on the grounds of double jeopardy. The court announced the decision after justices met in private to review Read's appeal on Friday. Thanks for joining us. I'm Paula Eben. The decision comes as Karen Read's second trial enters its second week. As WBZ's Penny Commit shows us, today's testimony started with questions about a Google search.
Hoss longed to die in cold, which is the query
and has become the center of Karen Read's case. Hoss longed to die in cold was searched on Jen McCabe's phone after John O'Keefe's death. But the question in court today is when.
We know that search was conducted at 6:23:51.
After Karen Read asked her to, according to Jen's testimony from the first trial. The prosecution bringing in Ian Whiffen from Cellbrite, a company that does forensic phone extractions, who, through PowerPoint, explains that the 2:27 a.m. search timestamp shows because that's when the tab was opened, not when the search was actually made.
So if I just minimize Safari, put it into the background and start to do other things on my phone, the timestamp won't get updated.
Jen was at 34 Fairview the night John died. The defense has said that she did make that search at 2:27 a.m., proving that she knew John was dead hours before his body was found. Meanwhile, in D.C., the Supreme Court has decided they will not hear Karen Read's case. It was her team's last attempt to prevent her second trial, citing double jeopardy after jurors from trial number 1 came forward saying that they decided to acquit Read on her two most serious charges, but did not express that to the judge.
Now, this afternoon, the jury will be sent home, and the two ARCA witnesses will be in court to have a private interview with the attorneys and the judge. You'll remember that these are those crash reconstruction experts. The judge has previously accused the defense of paying them when they weren't supposed to, and now she says that there's over 100 text messages between these witnesses and the defense that were deleted. This could impact their ability to testify during the second trial. In Dedham, I'm Penny Commit, WBZ News.